I check my outfit sometimes when I'm here, and I'm like, oh my god, this girl is so beautiful. She's gorgeous. And then I go to the toilet. Today I am going to be showing you our house, that's Burleigh House. I got accommodation from the University of Manchester and I live at Whitworth Park. But here there are so many houses. I was sent to Burleigh House. So let's go have a look at it. This is a comp house, and yeah, these are our bins here, and then we're gonna go to that house. That's Burleigh House. Yeah, how do you like my skirt? It's beautiful. Yeah, so when you come here, there will be so many posts. The first one is warning: be careful of anybody who can come, just behind you. So be careful, always. But it's really safe. I've been here for some good time, so it's safe. So you will get the card. This card will be used to enter the main accommodation, the main gate, and you'll have your key, which will enable you to enter your house. So yeah, so we enter in here, and we're gonna be having loads and loads of flats here. Come in. So this is a flat, this is a flat, and we have this main door. So this door is mainly used when we have a fire. They close it basically, but it's always open otherwise. So yeah, here we go, 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 here we should go. So this is our flat, and how I stay here with so many amazing people, including Uvi. Uvi is the one on the camera. She's so lovely. She makes me tea whenever I'm not in the mood, and she gives me food, and then she prepares me things. So she's gonna graduate soon, so I'll miss her. And then, so when we enter here on the first floor, we have 3 rooms. This one and this one and this one. I sleep here. Uvi sleeps here, and we have Flora here. And then we have this heater, which is great. I use it a lot. And then here we have our mini bathroom. Come, see. So this is a heater. Here, another heater. And then we have a mini bathroom here. So all of us use this the sink to do whatever I want. And then from there, we shall be going to the second floor.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind.
Welcome. This is the second floor, and
Life lessons come one in a dozen.
I need lighting. The sensors are out. Oh, so bad. Can't sense us anymore. Anyway, this is some space. I don't know what it does, but there are so many things here. And then you have this mirror. So sometimes I come here and I'm like, wow. I check my outfit sometimes when I'm here and I'm like, oh my god, this girl is so beautiful. She's gorgeous. And then I go to the toilet. But anyways, there are one, two. There are two rooms here. And then there are one, two, right? Two rooms here. Exactly. So when I'm tired of the mirror, I go to the toilet. And yeah, look, there is a lot of lighting in the toilet. And we have so many things here. We have our bathrooms, and then perfect. We have two toilets for boys and girls. We share everything here. Then we have about one, two, three sinks and some cool mirrors. And we have two bathrooms, this one and this one. Yeah, you wanna see how they look like? Yeah, that's how they look like. They are really tiny, but they are cool, you know. So if you think that you can't fit in this bathroom, I don't think this accommodation is the best suit for you. Do you understand? I'm not offending you, but if you think that you are really big size, this bathroom is so tiny that you won't fit. You will get stuck. They'll have to cut. So yeah, so from here, we're gonna go to the third floor, and that's where the kitchen is. Go. Welcome. So here we have our ironing table, we have our ironing box, we have our uh, dining table, we have a freezer here, and then we have our fridge here. We share the fridge, all of us. How many are we? 7, 8. Yeah. And then we have chairs we can sit on when we are bored or tired. And then, yeah, I work here a lot, especially late at night, around 1 or midnight or 2. Yeah, sitting here, just listening to a few birds that are still outside and squirrels is good. And then here we have the cabins. This is the table we use when we are chopping our vegetables or whatever we want to chop. And then we have our cabins. We have loads of cabins here, down here, and we share them. All these are our cabin boards. We have our cooker and the oven. What is this? This is an oven, right? What is this? Grill. This is the griller. This is the an oven down there. Have our microwave here. Stop it. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how beautiful it is. Yeah, good. You are so good at filming it. Yeah, that's so good. That's so good. Yeah. So I'm always here, and sometimes when I feel like I miss home, I come and I just kneel here and I just look through the window and just look at the trees, look at the people who are crossing. It's always beautiful. Oh, yeah. When I see those trees shaking the branches, they just remind me of my home, my garden, and our gardens in Uganda. And then I start missing home so badly, and then I call them. Yeah, but that's all, guys. Thank you so much for coming along. Yeah, and good thanks to Ubi, who is a master's student here, and she's graduating soon, and she's soon gonna start her YouTube channel. So I can't wait, Ubi. Well, she keeps on saying I'm gonna start, but she doesn't start. But I really hope that demon that stops her from starting goes away, so that she can start her channel. Yeah. Bye guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.